Want a clean, deep brick engraving in under 15 minutes? Let me show you exactly how we do it with Laser Thick. Laser Thick is our 6mm high-tack laserable mask made for rough, porous surfaces like bricks and stone. It burns clean on CO2 lasers, 40 watts and up, holds tight during blasting, and peels off without any soaking. Start with a dry brick and brush off the dust. Nothing fancy, just get rid of loose grit so the mask can really grab. Now trim a piece of Laser Thick to fit your surface. Peel the liner off and stick it down. Use a hard roller and your thumbs to press it into the pores, especially along the edges and corners. With brick, pressure is your best friend. Next, peel away the top carrier so the laserable mask is exposed and head to the laser. For settings, a solid starting point on an 80-watt CO2 laser would be 100% power, 60% speed, 500 DPI, and 2 passes. Treat that as a baseline though and tweak for your system, as all lasers can vary. The key is this: you should be able to clearly see brick through the ablated design before you blast. Once it's done being laser engraved, it's time to sand carve. We're using a Crystal Blast Elite at about 60 psi. We recommend 120 to 150 grit silicone carbide abrasive for concrete bricks. Keep your passes smooth and slightly overlapping so you get even depth and crisp sidewalls. A slower nozzle speed will help the abrasive remove the material quicker. About 1 square inch per second is a good target, and 2 passes over the image area should be plenty for a good pool for paint filling. You'll notice the mask doesn't lift or wrinkle. That extra thickness and tack are doing the heavy lifting here. Once you've got the depth you want, keep the mask on for color filling. 2 light coats of spray paint beat 1 heavy coat every time. This will give you sharper edges with less wicking. Let the paint dry completely, then peel off the mask. No soaking, no sticky mess, just a clean, high contrast finish. So in total, it took about 8 minutes to laser, 4 minutes to blast, and about 3 to paint and peel. So you have a total brick in under 15 minutes. However, lasering multiple bricks at once and putting more than 1 brick in the sand carving machine at a time will reduce time, handling, and labor costs. So that's it. Fast, repeatable, and built to last. Laser Thick makes brickwork simple. If you want some starting settings for your laser or sand carving cabinet recommendations, reach out to the IKONICS Imaging team. We're happy to help.